People, that day has come.
And then just relax this arm as much as possible.
Alright.
Yeah, Chaddy Marie, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes! Chaddy Murray TV. For all the vlogs and recent update, mailing Chaddy Murray. Bototom, Bush, Yaxter said that.
Cha-cha. I just feel like everybody are them one big people and everybody need to do what them have to do. And right now me, I do what me think I have to do. I do what me think best for me. Me never did I go put this on a platform. I did promise myself so I now put it on a platform, but I just think that I'm still not trying to influence anybody to make do nothing what them don't want to do, and everybody have a choice, everybody have a mind of them own, but this is what I feel like it's best for me, and I never want to put it on a platform to make people feel like say I'm promoting a particular side, because I'm not. I never get paid to do this or not like that. But at the end of the day, every man have to do what them have to do. Now for the people them who don't do it, I really respect your opinion and go and do your thing. Go and protect on yourself, because shit's real, yo. Like, people out here dying. It's just last night I heard one of my close friend. Scrap that. I don't even want to put that in it, because me and the person I talk it, and I don't know if when I upload a video here, me and them are gonna talk. So, you know, left that story then. But everybody have to do what everybody have to do. And me choose to get vaccinated. So now wait on me next. Get the history. I never get to carry the card, isn't it? Actually, I left the vaccination card in a me. Not tell a story again, but it left in my cousin vehicle. Yeah, and my cousin vehicle left far. So I end up have to talk to the lady and them say, yo, I can't carry back the vaccination card, and then write on it say, yes, I get the second dose and everything. So I'm all set. Am I scared? No. I'm not gonna tell a lie, a little bit, because a lot of people tell me say, yo, the second dose, it deal with them away, and this is my second shot. I never filmed the first shot, because as I said before, I was like, yo, I'm not gonna flag that up here, but I just feel like I need to flag it, isn't it? So let's see. Yo, no pray for me. Yo, I can just see in the comment section now. Yo, you're a guinea pig. You're a fool. Sell out. You get paid. Bro, I'm not even in Jamaica. Oh, Miami that.
So this is the second Moderna one, right?
Yeah, this is the second one.
Okay, how did the first one go?
It was alright, no pain, nothing at all.
Okay, good. For this one, so sore arm's gonna be the most common thing people get. Some people do react a little bit more to this one, so having those flu type of symptoms. So the headache, fever, chills, just not feeling good the next day. Usually it only lasts about 24 hours, and they tend to resolve after that for most. I always say stay hydrated. Make sure you drink a lot of water throughout the day, and then if you have it so much where you're really not feeling well, like you can take Tylenol, but you try to let your body kind of fight it off itself and have those type of feelings.
Okay. Well, I took 2 pills before I got here.
Okay.
I did that the last time and it was good.
Alright. And then just relax this arm as much as possible.
Alright.
Alright.
Tight up.
Alright, so the only other thing we say is just to stay in store for at least 15 minutes just to make sure you're okay. And then if you feel fine after that, then you're okay to leave, okay?
Alright.
And then you can bring back that card anytime.
Yeah, I'm gonna bring it back.
Whenever you want, and we'll look it up and finish
It's actually in my cousin's vehicle, and he's in Canada.
That's right.
Alright, thanks.
Yep.
Alright. So people, I'm gonna get the vaccine. Yes, but I'll get it at the Rite Aid pharmacy. John North Star. Hold on. I don't feel no way. My hand now burn me. And I think my dead. All of them lovely stuff there. Like, I'm good. Is it me? As I say again, people, this is not for advertise or for advocate for the vaccine. Is it me? This is about choices and everybody have their own choice. Is it me? So while I might be vaccinated, I don't feel like say the unvaccinated should cow down the vaccinated and I say, yo, you had the wrong thing and this and that and some heated debate. Versus, me no feel like the vaccinated should not talk a bag of things about the unvaccinated. As I said before, for one of my video them, the segregation thing don't make no sense, isn't it? And me not promote that something here. Me just decide for sure my subscriber them say, hey, if you want to go get it, it's your life. If you don't want to get it, don't get it, it's your life, isn't it? So if nothing happened to me, you can make that video go viral. No food in the shop. Nothing gonna happen to me. Big up with yourself. I'm out.